So I put a deal together and I financed 2 machines and I brought them into my dad's shop. We ran those machines 20 hours a day, 6 days a week, and kicked out a bunch of parts. But I kept getting more orders. That original $1.8 million order doubled because that was only for like a couple of products. They put out almost 200 bikes a month. So as my parts total per bike grew, so did the demand for more machine time. We ended up buying a building up the street, moving my 2 machines in there, and then I bought 2 more machines. And then I bought 2 more machines. And it seemed to go that way until, fast forward a few years, I'm basically doing the same thing for 5 aftermarket OEMs. It's the height of the V-twin boom when everybody wanted to be a Harley owner, or at least a Harley clone owner. And I'm building enough parts to support about 1,800 motorcycles being built a month. And I have 28 CNC machines running 20 hours a day. And we're cranking all this stuff out. It was amazing that my bullshit hobby turned into, $500,000 a month worth of billet going out the door. And then I got an even brighter idea to mix my love of building bikes with my business, which turned out to be a good idea for a while. I mean, we started our own motorcycle company. I mean, this whole time I've been supporting these other motorcycle companies and they're making money. So why not build my own bike? And I had been building bikes on the side. It seemed like every month, a few people would come in that wanted one of my bikes. And I had a friend that was assembling them on the side. I actually had 2 of them. One of them wanted to get more involved in it. The other one just wanted to do his own thing. So I partnered up with my buddy Mike, and we started Hellbound Steel Motorcycle Company. Hellbound Steel went on to build, I think, about 3,800 bikes. There's a whole bunch of them out there. They're in Canada, and they're in Australia, and there's some of them in Europe, and there's a whole bunch of them in the U.S. That was a very long, involved story about how that whole thing went. I love those bikes. I mean, they're not what I build today, because for the time period I was building them, that's what was popular, and the people that bought them really liked them.